For decades, the Mazda MX-5 Miata has embodied the spirit of lightweight sports cars, simple, fun, and accessible. Ever since its debut in 1989, the Miata has stayed true to a singular philosophy: deliver pure driving joy through lightweight construction, precise handling, and a connection between driver and machine that few other vehicles can replicate. On the outside, the 2026 MX-5 Miata Hybrid is unmistakably a Miata. Mazda's Kodo design language continues to evolve, giving the car flowing, sculpted lines that suggest motion even at a standstill. The front fascia is slightly more aerodynamic, with slimmer LED headlights and active grille shutters to enhance efficiency. The fenders are muscular, accentuating the rear-wheel drive setup, while the rear features sleek taillights integrated into a clean, modern design. Subtle hybrid badging is present, but Mazda has chosen not to overwhelm the car's aesthetics with eco-focused symbols. After all, this is still first and foremost a driver's car. At the core of the 2026 Miata Hybrid lies a reimagined powertrain that stays faithful to the spirit of lightweight performance. Mazda engineers knew they could not simply add a bulky hybrid system that would dilute the car's agility. Instead, they developed a compact parallel hybrid system designed specifically for small sports cars. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, refined from the Skyactiv G family, but updated with Mazda's latest combustion technology. This engine alone delivers around 160 horsepower, maintaining the character of rev-happy performance. Paired with it is a lightweight electric motor integrated into the transmission, adding about 40 horsepower when needed. Combined output sits around 200 horsepower, a noticeable bump compared to the previous generation while still keeping the Miata within its playful, approachable range. The hybrid system uses a small lithium-ion battery pack positioned low and toward the center of the chassis to maintain perfect balance. Unlike plug-in hybrids, this system focuses on lightweight efficiency and performance rather than long, all-electric range. The electric motor assists during acceleration, fills torque gaps, and provides regenerative braking. The 2026 Mazda MX-5 Miata Hybrid is more than just another step in the Miata lineage. It is a bold reimagining that secures the future of the world's best-selling roadster. By blending hybrid efficiency with lightweight agility, Mazda ensures the Miata remains relevant and exciting in a rapidly changing automotive world.